Metrology, the science and process of measurement, is of fundamental importance to manufacturing. Factory production efficiency relies on accurate quality control. Measurement can be taken for granted, but it is of critical importance to manufacturing in all sectors, including automotive and aerospace. No matter the size or shape of parts you make or the industry you operate in, you have a commitment to your customers and team to ensure the highest levels of quality. Autodesk PowerInspect offers a powerful solution for inspection, validation and quality control for all types of measurement equipment. PowerInspect can save you money by highlighting problems early in the manufacturing process, minimizing disruptive and expensive rework or scrappage. On-machine verification, automatic collision avoidance, part alignment and stock material verification are just some of the features within PowerInspect. Make inspecting complex freeform surfaces simple and ensure the highest levels of quality for your business.